Hey guys, this is Cynthia Lewis. Wanted to come back on, talk to you about your job was never to be your only source. And the subtopic is going to be clarity comes through action. All right. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. Is that most people stay stuck because they're waiting to feel ready before they move. But I want you to understand, guys, if you wait to feel ready, you will never feel ready. So you got to take the action, right? I want you to know that when you feel like you can't move, that's fear. Fear will keep you stuck. Fear will keep you frozen. Fear will keep you from moving in the way that God has meant for you to move. And so you have got to take action. You have got to move. All right? You don't need perfect clarity to begin, right? When you start to take action, God will start revealing things to you, right? But He's not going to all the time reveal it to you while you're standing still. You got to move forward. You got to be working towards an action or taking action and moving toward the next thing that you need to do. And if it's something that you're making a mistake on, or if this is not where God is really wanting you to go, don't think that He won't course correct you, because He will. He'll kind of nudge you and lead you to where it is that you need to go. And that also can be to Him also sending somebody across your path to give you an encouraging word. And you may not know it at that time, but you will, as you think about it and ponder on what the person have said, and kind of where you are, God will reveal that this is where you need to go. So get going, guys. Don't stay stuck. Don't let fear stop you, because again, that is the goal of the enemy, to keep you stuck and not you moving forward. All right. And another thing I want you to realize too is that your confidence grows through movement. And if you're not making any movement, your confidence is not growing, and you're just kind of procrastinating and not, moving the way God is wanting you to move. So, guys, you got to move. All right. And as I said it again, I said earlier, I'm going to say it again. Action reveals direction. So, God would lead you accordingly. And then God often gives instructions step by step, and it may not be exactly in order, step by step, but it'll be it'll be in a way that you like, oh, okay, I can't just stand still. I got to do something next. So it's like you just can't stop. You got to keep going, right? You might feel like, hey, I don't know what the next step is, but again, like I said earlier, that you may not all the time know what you need to do next. But the point is, just take a step, and if that's not where you're supposed to go, God is going to leave you. So step by step, He's going to lead you to where you need to go, even if that next step is the wrong step, right? He will course correct you to get to where you're supposed to be, right? And I also want you to understand that you don't think your way into clarity. You move your way into clarity, right? I don't know anybody that got clarity just by being still, right? You got to get up and take action to get moving, to seek what it is that you're really wanting to happen. And then, like I say, you got to take action towards it, right? And you can't let fear stop you, because that is the goal of fear, to stop you, to sabotage you, to keep you from God's best, to keep you from what it is that God has instructed you and called you to do. And you can't allow it to do that, right? So, guys, here's what I want you to do. I want you to take one imperfect action within the next 24 hours. Whatever that looks like for you, I can't say what that is. Only you know what it is that been needing to do, and you haven't done because you're like, I don't know what to do next. I'm going to encourage you to move forward. Take that next action. Take that next step. Move forward, no matter what it is. Move forward. Don't stay where you are. And again, if that next step is the step you need to take, then so be it. no problem. If that was the wrong step, you got to know that God is going to correct you on the way. But my point is, don't stop. Keep going and move forward. All right, guys. This is Cynthia Lewis. Until next time, I will talk to you soon. Bye.